Today, many people use their phones a lot. Maybe you do this too. You hold your phone. You open one app. You start to scroll. You move your finger down. A new picture comes. You scroll again. A new video comes. You scroll again. It never stops. This is the infinite scroll. It goes on and on. It has no end. At first, it feels fun. You see a cute dog. You see a funny cat. You see a short joke. You see a small dance video. You smile. You feel good. You say, okay, just a little more. But a little more becomes 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 1 hour. Maybe this happens to you. You say, I will look for 5 minutes. You sit down. You open your phone. You scroll. Then you look at the clock. You say, oh, 1 hour already? You did not plan 1 hour, but the app took your time. When you scroll a lot, your focus becomes weak. Focus means you stay with one thing. But now it is hard to stay with one thing. You try to read a book, but you stop after 1 page. You try to study, but you look at your phone again and again. You try to talk to someone, but your mind goes back to your phone. Real life feels slow. The phone feels fast. Scrolling also takes your time for important things. Time is very important. Time is your life. When you lose time, you lose a part of your life. You cannot get this time back. Maybe you want to study. Maybe you want to sleep early. Maybe you want to talk to your family, but you scroll instead. After a long time on the phone, many people do not feel good. Their eyes hurt. Their hands hurt. Their back hurts. They feel tired. They sleep late. They wake up and feel heavy and slow. Their mind feels full of many small pictures. These pictures make the mind busy, but they do not make the heart happy. So, how can you take back your focus? How can you stop the infinite scroll? The first step is to see the problem. Look at your day. Ask, how long do I scroll? You can check your phone. You can see your screen time. Maybe the number is big. Maybe you feel surprised. But this truth helps you see your habit. The second step is to think about what you want. What is important to you? Maybe you want to learn English. Maybe you want to read more. Maybe you want to feel calm. These things need your focus. They need your time. You cannot do them well if you scroll all day. The third step is to make one small rule. A very simple rule. You can say, I do not use my phone for the first 10 minutes after I wake up. Or you can say, I put my phone away 20 minutes before sleep. You can choose one focus time in your day, maybe 30 minutes. During this time, put your phone away. Do not touch it. Do one thing. Study, clean, read, or write. Maybe it is hard in the first days. Your hand wants to take your phone. Your mind wants to open the app. But after a few days, it becomes easier. You feel proud. You feel strong. You say, I can do this. The fourth step is to change how you use apps. Social media is not always bad. You can learn new things, but you must use the app with care. Before you open it, ask, why do I open this now? If the answer is, I am bored, then stop for a moment. You can do something simple. Drink water, stretch, go outside for 1 minute, or sit quietly. If you still want to use the app, set a timer. Choose 10 or 15 minutes. When the timer rings, stop scrolling. Close the app. Do not open it again. Remember, apps are made to keep you scrolling. They show you things you like. They want you to stay. But you must be the one to stop. The fifth step is to put more real things in your day. If you only try to stop scrolling but do nothing else, you will scroll again. So choose small, simple activities. You can sit outside for 5 minutes. You can read one page of a book. You can clean your table. You can listen to your favorite song. You can talk to a friend. You can write a short note. You can drink tea slowly. You can look at the sky. These things look small, but they feel real. They make you feel alive. They make your day slow in a good way. When your day has real moments, the phone becomes less important. Taking back your focus is a slow change. It is not fast. Some days you scroll too much. This is normal. You do not need to be perfect. You can always start again. Every day is a new day. Every day you can try again. Your focus is like a small light. When you scroll too much, this light becomes weak. But when you stop scrolling, the light becomes strong again. You feel more calm. You feel more clear. You feel more happy. Today, you can start with something very small. After you finish reading this, put your phone down for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Feel the air in your body. Then open your eyes. Look at your room. Choose one easy thing to do. Fix your bed, clean your desk, or drink a glass of water. This is one small step. Tomorrow you take another small step. The next day, another step. Slowly you build a new habit. Slowly, your mind becomes stronger. Slowly, you take your life back. The infinite scroll is strong. It wants your time. It wants your mind. But you're stronger. You can say stop. You can choose your life. You can choose your time. You can choose your focus. Take one small step today. Take one small step tomorrow. Step by step, you reclaim your focus from the infinite scroll. Step by step, you build a better, calmer, happier life.